Hello and welcome to today's video. I've got for you today this Frankia i8400 Plus Platin. You're looking at a lot of money for this one. The first figure is a 2 and there's 5 numbers after that. But there's the bad news. Now I'm going to show you the good bits to it. 861 centimeters long, 230 centimeters wide. So got a lot of standing height inside. Comes with a double floor, side kitchen, round seating group, and there's the bed up front. Bed will drop down. As I'm at a trade fair, I'm not going to start, and there's no one around here at the moment, so I'm not going to start messing around with things, because if I get caught and start shouting at me, accusing me of not knowing what I'm doing, which probably be the right in any case. To get the bed to come down, you put the seats forward like that, bend the seats down, bed drops down. You've got a nice bedroom with a lot of head height. You've got here some steps to get into bed, and that's great. So you've got a bedroom. On this side down here, you've got the boiler. And on this side here, you've got this slide out thing to stick things in. And you can make a nice dressing room here by closing that off there. There's your toilet with a nice washing space. Over here, you've got your shower. And once you've had your shower, you can get dressed. So you keep your clothes. If it's roasting hot outside, you've also got this Truma. Oh, it's freezing cold as well. And got Aldi heating system in here. You saw the Aldi boiler. And then you come through here, so then you can make your breakfast over here. And so we've got 3 burners. We have got a sink. We have got a place over here to discard what you're not going to eat. You can find your cutlery in here, and you can find other plates maybe down there. Your tea towels and what have you are down there. Here's your fridge, your freezer, your grill, and in here you will find more space for clothes or whatever. There's got a bar up there. Obviously these shelves will come out because that's not enough hanging space there really, is there? More storage around here, and here, but the star of the show has to be this down here, which is the round seating group. The television will come out so you can actually watch it, although to be quite honest, I think this thing here is going to get in the way. I think that might require a bit more thought, but anyway, the television does sort of come out like that. And at the back we've got this 270-degree sitting area with a bit of storage down here, so you can, and there, and standing up here, I've got to crouch down a bit. See, I'm show you. Oh, I'm touching the roof now, but that's only in this position, because down here I wasn't. That's because of the step. And look at all this space. Windows all the way around. 2 wonderful panoramic windows in the roof as well. So, outstanding position here to sit and admire what's around. I'm very much in awe of these rear lounge motorhomes. It's too big for me, but I couldn't drive something this long, and also because when it's this big, it's sort of, you can't go to so many places. But I do like, you can find smaller ones as well. Hymer does or did a smaller one called the Duomobile. There was one that was set in the 7-meter class as well. Anyway, let's have a look what we've got down here. This is the double floor. So, flat floor all the way back. Bit of storage down there. Now, this, in the Frankia, it's not as deep as you'll find down in the Carthago rear lounge motorhome. But there is more storage down there as well. Right, so let's have a look outside. Now, before we go outside, let's open the door. Admire the door. There's a window there, and there's something there to keep your keys or something, I suppose. And hang your stuff up there. Now, before we go out, let's turn off the lights. There's the light switch. I'll show you the lights going out. And we'll come up. Now, there's more information below. At least I'll try and put more information below if I remember. I might forget, or more likely is I won't have the opportunity by the time this goes up to write it. But if you want more information, then I'll if you remind me if there's nothing there, and I'll put it up. So the not so much space in the garage as you might see in some of the models. The reason is because of the shape of the rear lounge, and so that is why there's also only 2 doors. Some models have got 3 doors. It depends largely what you're looking for. If you want a vehicle with a, sorry, there is 3 doors. Oh, sorry, my mistake. There's 3 doors. I'm leaving that in the video, so just to I'm not going to edit it out. Very clever. Okay, and here, so a lot of things that go off memory. More storage, and look around here. There's even a step up into the driver's seat. I bet this is locked. Oh, it doesn't. There you go. Have a look. The handbrake, you might have noticed, is on the right hand side rather than putting it here on the left. I've noticed this is the case in many Mercedes vehicles. My hand now automatically goes to the left when using the handbrake, irrespective of what I'm driving. It's a bit like changing gears. You sort of don't really think about it when you do it. There you have it, a Frankia Platin motorhome i8400, extremely luxurious vehicle. Frankia is one of the companies I sort of recommend buying, but I recommend buying a classic vehicle. You can find one of these. So if you find one of these in 20 years time, then fair enough. Failing that, look for a 20-year-old vehicle. I mean, buying a 20-year-old Frankia, in my opinion, is much better than buying some, well, I won't say the names of certain brands, but some other brands, and that you could buy new. There are problems with older vehicles, one of which being the diesel regulations that are now existing, and there's others as well. I mean, guarantee and all the rest of it. But I think these things are better. They're built for long-term use. So for the moment, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15. If you're interested in this sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. For the moment, from me in Düsseldorf, Germany. Bye for now.